Hi, I'm Gracie, and we are going to take a stroll outside since it's such a beautiful day. It might be a little windy. Roosty, hush it. There's Roosty, and there's Gracie. Okay, let's take our nature walk. So, up there should be some birds. Maybe birds aren't out to play. Oh, look at the beautiful grass. It's so nice out. Ooh, how about we go swing? Okay. Well, over there is over there is a beach ball, and there's a basketball. And I just love this yard. It has plenty of room to run. Okay, so, there was Gracie. Hey, her name is Gracie and my name's Gracie. That is wicked. Okay, today I'm gonna, okay. I love the outdoors, don't you? I could just sleep out here if I wanted. I'd rather stay inside where it's nice and warm. Well, you can see over there, there's next door neighbors. And like, yeah. Well, a new show might be coming on. It's probably called, we don't know what it's called, but it's like called Snowball Show or something. Well, stay tuned because we might have one. And right up there you can see little Roosty. And if you haven't seen a video with him, you have serious problems. We have 3 of them. And we have 3 with Gracie. Okay, it's like getting a little bit windy out here, so let's go inside. Oh, hi, Roosty. Well, I gotta go. See ya. Stay tuned for the next show. And stay tuned for any more videos. Okay, bye. Love you all.